Chris Henderson out here, Northern Tribe Outdoors, and my first trip to Lake Devereaux. As you can see, it's a bit blustery out here today. Quite a few people on the water, but none of them seem to be fishing for kokanee, which is what I'm fishing for. Running the sling blade and a small little Seahawk lure there. It's a spinner, a few beads, and the ever favorite Choupe corn. It does an amazing job out here on these kokanees, and we'll see if we can't catch a few. It's a great little lake, no motorized vehicles at all allowed on it, and so it's nice and quiet. And, usually the fishing's pretty good, so I'll be running maybe a second line with no bait on it so that I can catch and release trout on the surface just in case the kokanee are up on the surface. So anyway, hopefully we have some good luck. Enjoy the fishing trip. Very little fish. First trout of the day. Oh, you dog. Nice one. I'll take it. Finally got a kokanee. First kokanee of the year.
Fish on!